Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today is the first video of the listening series. In this video, I'll be saying the letters in their alphabetical order. Okay, let's start with the first letter. Alif. Alif. Starting with A, continuing with L, and ending with if. So, Alif. Alif. Second letter. For the second, third, and fourth letters, they have the same pronunciation. We're gonna start with the sound, continue with a, and ending with I. So, ba. It's like the B sound, b, with a, ba, and we end it. Third letter, ta. Starting with t, continuing with a, and ending with I. So, ta. Tha. It's like th, tha, tha. Okay. Jim. It's like the j sound, the j sound. Jim. These two letters are like the rest, the previous. Ha, starting with h and continuing with a and ending with I. Ha. Kha. Kha. Okay, this one. Dal. D sound. A and L. Dal. Val. It's like the with an A and an L. Val. Ra. Ra. Zain. Okay, so Z sound, E, I, and N. Zain. Zain. This one. Seen. It's like the word seen. I have seen. Same thing, seen. For this one, add an H after the S. Sheen. Okay, it's like sheen. For this one, we have sod. Okay, we start with an S sound that is a bit strong. Continue with A and ending with D. Strong D. Sod. Dod. Sod. Dod. For this one, ta. It's very short. Ta. The. The. Ain. Start with A. Continue with Y and N. Ain. Ghain. Ain. Ghain. Fa. It's like ha, ba, and ta. Fa. Start with an F sound, continue with a, and end with I. So fa. This is different. Qaf. Start with strong K. Qaf. Continue with a and end with if, like the first one here. Fa. So qaf. This is kaf. It's the same thing as qaf, but begin with K. So kaf. Lam. It's like llama without an A in the end. So lam. Meme. It's like the word meme. Noon. It's like noon in the afternoon. Ha. Start with h, h sound. Continue with a and end with I. So ha. Wow. So similar to wow, just with a slighter opening. Wow. And yeah, the last letter is yeah. Start with Y, continue with A, and end with I. Yeah. So this is our video of the letters in their alphabetical order. Please wait for the next video where I present the letters that have similar pronunciation. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button.